Hello learners, welcome to the video on VS Code integration with Anaconda. In this video, I'm going to cover basic Python interpreter installation, VS Code installation, integration of VS Code with basic Python interpreter, Anaconda installation, integration of Anaconda Python interpreter with VS Code, virtual environment creation using GUI in Anaconda, and integration of our created virtual environment with VS Code. So let's start the video from basic Python interpreter installation. To install Python 3.9 in our system, we will go for customize installation and add Python to our path. Then we'll click next and install it for all users. Rest of the options are same, and then we click on install. So it will install Python 3.9 interpreter in our system. It will take some time. No, setup is successful. Let's close this. Now we will install Visual Studio Code. So I accept the agreement and click next. Then on the default path, I'll click next and I'll check register code as an editor for supported file types. Add open with code action to Windows Explorer file context menu and create a desktop icon. Then I'll click on next. Then install VS Code. Let's finish the installation. This opens VS Code editor. Let's run the command using Ctrl plus Shift plus P, and we can see there are no interpreters installed here. So now I will install Python extension for Visual Studio Code. So this Python is provided by Microsoft with IntelliSense. So I'll install this version of Python extension. Once it is getting installed, we'll check its features. Then we run Ctrl plus Shift plus P and look for Python interpreters and click on Select Interpreter. Python 3.9.5 64-bit interpreter here. This Python interpreter is shown here because we have installed Python 3.9 in our system before Visual Studio Code. If we want to use Anaconda with this Visual Studio Code, then we need to install Anaconda. Anaconda is very useful Python distribution platform to work on machine learning projects. Because many data science and machine learning libraries are pre-installed in Anaconda. To install Anaconda 3 64-bit setup, we click on next and then accept the agreement, and using recommended settings, just me, I'll click on next, and on the default path, let's install it. But here we will uncheck register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8 and select add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. Why I'm doing so? Because if we go with the recommended settings, it means by registering Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.8, then what happens? It will be installed over Python 3.9 that we have already installed. So we cannot enjoy our standalone Python. To separate both the things, Python 3.9 and Anaconda 3.8 Python interpreters, we are doing so. After selecting the options, I'll click on install. Anaconda takes a lot more time to install because there are multiple Python modules are getting installed. Let's wait for a while. Then we'll click on next and then again next, and Anaconda installation is completed. So now we can see there are two Python interpreters in our VS Code. One is Python 3.9 and one is 3.8. And 3.8 version is base Anaconda version. So we have successfully integrated our Anaconda with Visual Studio Code. So here I'm adding one more perk for you guys. Let's open Anaconda separately. Let it open. Anaconda provides environments where we can create environments by this interactive graphical user interface. So I'm creating an environment butterfly. So why we create environments? Because when we want to separate our work from the base environment, so that in any time in future it doesn't get affected with new versions of Python modules, so that nothing will get overwritten and our work will be separate in our environment. To set up the environment properly with VS Code, we need to set the environment variable in our Windows. To do that, let's click on Windows icon and search edit the system environment, click on environment variables, click on path and add the path of our environment here. Then press OK. Now when we'll open our Visual Studio Code, we'll be able to see all the three interpreters. So one is base Anaconda, another one is our butterfly environment, and one is 3.9 Python version. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comment section.